Oh, it's been 2 months now since I lost my job. I hope I could find a new job soon to get back on my feet again. Oh, excuse me. Could you spare some change? Excuse me, sir.
Yes, how can I help you?
Could you spare some change, please? I haven't eaten since yesterday. Just want to get a meal.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. But I just got the groceries, as you see. Sorry, I have no more money. I wish I could give you some of my groceries, but my wife is such a huge Karen. She'll be super mad if she finds out and I gave any of this away. I'm sorry.
No problem. I understand. You better get going.
You know what? Here's a pear. Who cares? Can't leave you hungry like that.
No, sir. The last thing I want is to get you in trouble with that Karen wifey of yours.
I guess you're right. I wish things could get better for you. Sincerely sorry. I'll pray for you.
I'll pray for you. Thank you anyway. Excuse me, sir. I was wondering if you could spare some change.
No, actually I can't because I don't have any. I have a job interview. I don't want to ruin my perfect look. If I bend my arm to stick it in my pocket, my jacket will be wrinkled. Besides that, I don't have any money. I'm not even sure I'm getting this job today. Now excuse me, gotta go with my perfect look.
Oh, I see. Good luck with your interview.
Thank you.
Excuse me. I haven't eaten since yesterday.
Oh,
Could you
haven't eaten anything since yesterday? You're following the intermittent fasting diet too? Oh, what a strong gal. So this is your secret to that awesome shape. Keep it up. I really admire your strong will. And thank you for sharing. You're so sweet. Bye. Oh, back to you, Sarah. Sorry I kept you on hold.
Excuse me. I was wondering if you could spare some change. Haven't eaten for a day. Just want to get a meal. There is a small grocery shop around the corner. If you give me $1, maybe I could get something to eat. I lost my job a few weeks ago, but I'm looking for work, not planning to stay like that. No problem. You don't need to explain anything to me. It's okay. I feel your pain, and I wish I could help. Let me see what I have. Please take this. Oh no, that's a lot. It's okay. I wish I could give you more, but it's all I have. I can't take it. What about you? Don't worry. I got all my groceries for this week, took care of all my bills. I'll get my paycheck in a couple of days. So really, don't worry. Oh, thank you so much. I'm sorry I can't give you more. I'm also sorry you have to go through all of this. I wish things work out for the better for you. Actually, you can take my coffee. I haven't touched it. Please, take it. You really need a hot drink in this cold weather. No, that's too much. No, I insist. It's okay. In my heart, I believe that what goes around comes around. Sorry, I gotta go. Thank you so much. Bless you. Bless you too. Take care. Oh, thank God. This money can keep me going for days. Oh, I better get going. It's getting dark soon. Hi there. Do you have any change to spare? Not really. I'm actually in the same situation you're in. Huh? What do you mean? What happened? I'm just like you, hungry and homeless. Oh, sorry. It's okay. How long have you been homeless? I mean, how long have you been around here? Well, I've been homeless in this area for a while and haven't seen you before. Well, I'm new here. Hi, I'm Lily. Nice to meet you, Lily. I'm Jenny. I wish we met in a more pleasant situation, but what can we do? Oh, it's getting cold in here. Oh, here's my jacket. No, that's a lot. No, I insist. I'm used to this cold. You're not. Besides, I have a sweater. I'm fine, really. Please take it. Thank you. Now, please take that. It's not much, but it's all I got. I can't take that. Sure you can. Please, go get yourself something to eat. Come on, we can share that. No problem. I have some coffee here. You haven't eaten in 2 days. I ate yesterday. It's okay. Thank you so much, Jenny. You're welcome. Oh, it's getting dark soon. Let's sleep here and tomorrow we'll figure out what to do. What can we do? Well, I've been applying for jobs. Just didn't have any luck yet. We can look for a job for you too, Lily. Never give up. Never lose hope. Oh, you're so kind, Jenny. It's okay, Lily. What goes around comes around. Thank you so much, Jenny. Really, thank you for everything. Good night, Lily. Good night, Jenny. Huh? What? Lily? Lily? Oh, Lily. Where did she go? Oh, she left everything. The money, the jacket. Did I bother her? Oh, I hope she's fine. I wonder where you are, Lily. Good morning, Jenny. What? You look gorgeous. Did you get a job that fast? I'm so happy for you. Well, let me explain. First of all, my name is Lily. Lily Leonard. Yes, my father is the owner of the Leonard Group. And I'm the CEO of his multi-million-dollar company. I was just on a social experiment yesterday, and I learned so much from you, Jenny. The Leonard Group, social experiment. You learned from me? Are you serious, Lily? Yes, you gave me everything you had, Jenny, without knowing me. You have to come with me, Jenny. Because after I told my father about what you've done, he's offering you an entry-level position in his company and a free accommodation in one of our hotels until you get back on your feet. Come with me, Jenny. But when I did this with you yesterday, I wasn't waiting for anything. I know. You knew nothing about me or about my family. Please, come with me. Didn't you tell me? Never give up, never lose hope. And what goes around comes around? Yes, you taught me that, Jenny. Thank you. Thank you, Lily. Just a sec, guys. Let me tell you, when I did this with Lily, I wasn't waiting for a payback. I just wanted to help and make others feel better, even if I don't. But remember, what goes around comes around. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, share. See you in my next video. Bye.